Sensor offline. Nothing to see here. Move along. You don't look like recruits. I've got this. Intrusion alarm level 2. All units alerted. My turn. Let's try this again. Who sent you? An old friend. System offline. Assets at risk. Reinitializing. Taskmaster. What do you want? Headquarters back online. Ms. Romanov, the arc reactor has been secured safely inside the window. It's in the jet. Let's go. Mr. Stark. Friday, don't put him through!
Yeah, she put me through. Hi, Nat. Everything okay? You need help?
I don't need help. I could do this all day.
Hey, that's my line.
Steve, good to see you. Oh, Luigi.
Okay.
The Taskmaster, origin unknown. Be ready. Taskmaster has the ability to master and replicate your fighting skills. It's annoying.
You sure you want to start this?
The arc reactor!
On it.
Got it. Let's go.
Friday, seal off Bay 94. Yes, Miss Romanov. Bay 94 secure.
You know how to use that thing?